how-to video. I'm going to show you how to use the Efex Mouldings on this pool table here. So I am going to use T34. It is one of the trims. It's a nice large one by Efex, and I'm going to put it on the sides here. So I'm going to apply this with the it's very used to, but the adhesive F2 contact adhesive. And once it's on and dry, I'm going to paint it in greenhouse, this wonderful bright spring-like green, and then we'll probably put some gold on it. So first step is to figure out where to pop this, to outline it with a pencil, and then to use the contact adhesive. So you can see that I've done one side here, it's all nice and stuck on now. So I'm just going to show you how I do the other side. So I have trimmed my mold, or moulding. So these are 100% latex, fully bendable, and you can just cut them with your scissors. So now I am sticking it up on here, so I just need to get my pencil and just draw around. So I now have my rough outline on here with my pencil. So one little tip, always use pencil or chalk. If you use like a vivid or a permanent marker or a pen, a ballpoint pen, you'll either see some ridges or you might get bleed through your paint. So now I'm using the adhesive contact adhesive. This is recommended by Efex as the one to use. So what I want to do is push my contact adhesive in where the moulding is going to go, right through to the edges, and then a bit on the inside, and then the same thing here on the back. So I want to do all of these edges and a bit in the middle. Now that I've applied the contact adhesive, I just need to wait for it to dry. So it's normally about 10 minutes. It's quite cold at the moment, so it does dry a bit quicker. Pretty much, and I will show you, you want it to still be tacky. So when you touch it, it's still tacky, but when you pull your finger away, it doesn't stick to your finger. So I'll video that to show you. And then I'm going to stick it on, starting from this end, because this is the front where I want it to look the best, and then working our way around. Right, so it's all on. The last step is just to go over all of your edges to make sure that it's all right, fully pressed down. So now it's just waiting for a few more minutes, maybe 10 minutes or so, and then it can be painted straight over. So as I said, we'll paint this in greenhouse and maybe do a little bit of gold, and we will share the finish of when it's all blended in. The chalk paint is going to go over the latex perfectly, so it's not going to look any different at all. It will all blend into one finish.